Hello, everyone. Welcome to my How to Feng Shui live channel. Welcome. Do you want to know how to make Feng Shui arrangements around your house? I will try to explore this topic as much as possible. If you are interested in knowing something else, or you have a question about a particular topic, leave me a message below. Let's get right into it. First, let me share a concept of Feng Shui theory with you. The theory of Feng Shui is divided into two aspects, time and space. In my previous video, the Feng Shui arrangements based on where the 9 purple-white stars land is categorized as the Feng Shui of time. The link of that video is down below. Today, we will discuss some strategies on taking care of the outer environment. This belongs in the Feng Shui of space. The Feng Shui of time is on a rotating basis. The Feng Shui of space is more fixed. Take a look around your house. Isn't the environment already set? Then, how can we use Feng Shui principles to make arrangements in this fixed setting to bring forth the favorable Feng Shui effects? Naturally, the benefits will go to the residents. So, how can you care for what you have outside of your home? First, let's make sure we take the directions in the same way. Otherwise, we might not be on the same page. As a reminder, south is on the top, just like this. Follow this diagram. Suppose your house is facing the south. 你的房子面向南方位. If you stand inside the house facing the front door, then the east is on your left and the west is on your right, just like this. This is how you decide the left and the right in Feng Shui contact. Now that we clear up this, let's talk about the 4 legendary creatures around our house. The 4 guardians guarding our house look like this: the dragon, the tiger, the tortoise, and the bird. In general, you want to keep the left slightly higher than the right because you don't want the tiger on the right overbears the dragon on the left. The back should be high and the front should be flat because the back symbols protection to the residents. We want it to be high and strong enough for us to lean on. The front should be flat for the bird. In reality, though, many people live in apartments. They don't have yards, but there are ways they can use to measure for this purpose. To keep the lesson simpler, I will talk about Feng Shui suitable for apartments in my future videos. Hit the button and turn on the bell to get notification when I update my videos. As I mentioned before, the outer setting is mostly fixed. We can go around to make possible adjustments to receive the positive Feng Shui effects. What if the land on the right is higher than the left? Well, the scene indicates that the tiger is stifling the dragon. What does that mean though? Stay tuned. What about the back of the house is low? This indicates the lack of support. A house set with a high setting in the back signifies strong support. This means when the residents run into difficult time, there will likely be helpers coming to the rescue. The helper is so-called 贵人 in Feng Shui concept. 贵 is valuable and 人 is people. The legendary creatures in the back is referred to 玄武, the black tortoise. 玄 is dark pigment and wu is deep. Therefore, the dark, deep 玄武 symbolize the black tortoise. On the opposite side of 玄武is the 朱雀 in the front. 朱 is red, 雀 is bird. Unlike the dark, deep 玄武, 朱雀 is bright and cheerful. This bird in fiery red belongs in the south where it's sunny and happy. 朱雀 also represents the front. It's called 明堂 in Feng Shui concept. 明 is bright, 堂 is court. This clearly suggests the front yard should be a flat, bright court. That would signify the residents have a bright future without impediment. The front yard should not be shadowed by the big trees. As to the dragon on the left and the tiger on the right, they are like both arms to the house. However, as the mysterious dragon is believed can magically soar in the clouds, people tend to believe a dragon in one's mind can realize any dreams. Obviously, the dragon in Feng Shui context is entirely different from its image perceived in the Western society. The dragon represents wisdom. The tiger represents strength. From other perspective, the dragon indicates yang and the tiger indicates yin. Yin and yang are very important concepts in Feng Shui theory. The universe consists of yin and yang. Yin and yang must be kept balanced in order to maintain the best condition. Therefore, the level of the land on the left and the right cannot be off too much. That's why the dragon on the left can be just slightly higher than the tiger on the right. We stop right here today. If you have any questions, leave the message down below. 谢谢收看。如果您喜欢这个视频，请订阅。Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the button to subscribe for more contents. I will see you again.